Hi, I'm Brett from Redsbaby and I'm going to take you on a tour of the ONIX pram. I'm really excited with the ONIX as it's our best full-size single pram for newborns up to approximately 4 years. It's full of features that make it unlike any other pram, including its unique 1-second one-hand fold, full mesh seat back for breathability, single hand functionality and more. So let me show you the best features. It's 1-second one-hand fold. The ONIX folds both with the seat parent facing and forward facing, meaning you never have to take the seat off to fold. You can see its unique standing fold, meaning no need to bend over. Once folded, the ONIX can then be picked up with the one hand and transported easily by the comfort carry handle. Let me take you through some of the other features. How easy it is to unfold the pram. The ONIX is suitable from newborns up to approximately 4 years and is also capsule compatible. For your newborn, there are two options. Option 1, the bassinet, which has protection, comfort, breathable panels and safety with its rigid sides. It can also be removed easily from the pram. Option 2, the seat reclines into a flat position and you can secure your newborn into the seat with its 5-point harness. The seat easily accommodates to a growing child, including taller toddlers with its spacious 22-kilo seat. Large 10-kilo basket provides ample storage for all your essentials when out and about. It's all-terrain, 4-wheel suspension to handle any surface. It has superior handling due to a seamless steering, so you can move through any space with ease. Now onto other things you'll love. Like other Redsbaby prams, the ONIX is designed for all seasons to keep your baby comfortable all year round. The ONIX comes with a seat pad, which can be easily removed to reveal a unique full mesh seat to keep your child cool, along with a ventilation panel in the pram canopy. The ONIX also has one of the largest UPF 50+ extension canopies, offering maximum sun protection and comfort for those hot days and for your baby sleeping on the go. With the bassinet, there is also a mesh panel in the canopy, as well as the head end of the bassinet. The ONIX has been designed with single hand functionality in mind. This includes the telescopic handle with 3 positions, 1, 2, and 3. The adjustable seat recline from completely flat to all the way upright. The footrest has 3 positions as well, into the middle position and then all the way down. The ONIX has a reversible seat, allowing you to face your child for bonding time, as well as when they get older to be able to turn the seat around. It also has a pivoting bumper bar, which makes it easy to access your baby. For added comfort, the ONIX has a 5-point safety harness with a contoured waist pad that makes it easy for you to take your baby in and out of the pram. At Redsbaby, we understand the journey of parenthood and are proud to be part of yours. Discover ONIX and explore the world with Redsbaby. Here at Redsbaby, we have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day indoor trial, free easy returns, and local lifetime customer support. Thank you for watching our ONIX demonstration.